In this question, a DNA template is given and you have to identify the correct product of DNA dependent RNA polymerase to the given template. That is, this enzyme is required for transcription. So, we need to find out the RNA sequence that is complementary to the given DNA template. And it just follows the rule that adenine pairs with uracil in RNA and cytosine pairs with guanine. So, the correct template would be 5 prime AUG UACC UUU AUA GGU AA GU 3 prime. Hence, the correct answer is option C.